What we have behind me here is School Branch, which is actually the third largest source of drinking water that supplies Eagle Creek Reservoir for the city of Indianapolis. As you see, it's pretty well flat out almost dry now. That's what you're seeing. The water that you're seeing out there is actually subsurface water only. The tiles probably hadn't run out here for about a month, but because we had a pretty good drought since the 1st of August. This is one of our waterways that we have going into School Branch. Just had this one put in last year. The waterways are a source of way to clean, make sure we have clean surface water running into the School Branch. Not only that, we have a tile outlet that we have 19 of these up down our fields right here. That's one of the outlets for our tiles that we come out of our fields. We had no-tilled this farm 100% for the past 10 years. We have seen considerable amount of where there's not any ponding from our fields that we used to have, because what we're seeing is a considerable amount of air and water movement through our soil. Our soil structure has improved dramatically. We had annual ryegrass on this field 4 years ago, which I felt really improved the water infiltration rate on this soil. And the studies that we're doing with a group here in Indianapolis is that they're monitoring our tile outlets for nitrate and phosphate levels. And what they're seeing is a dramatic difference how ours is so low compared to the others upstream. Our farming has changed tremendously in the past 10 years since we've been no-till. We do not apply as much nitrogen that we used to. I do test every year to analyze the optimum level of what our corn plant needs for nitrogen. Strip test of putting varying rates on, and we found out 140 to 160 pounds of total nitrogen that's all we need. Our phosphate levels, we spoon feed the corn plant now. Used to, we just applied general blanket application of 100 to 200 pounds of phosphate and maybe 200 to 300 pounds of potash. We used to apply, used a lot of anhydrous ammonia, and we applied anywhere from 180 to 220 pounds of anhydrous ammonia, or actual nitrogen, on this corn plant. But now our actual rate has dropped, at least 80 pounds since we used to. Well, our inputs are a lot less, for one thing, and it's better for the bottom dollar return on investment. And I guess you would consider our family as good stewards of the land also. We're close to Indianapolis, urban area. There's no reason to apply more than what's not needed. So, but basically that's the two most important things: stewards of the land, and also input costs dropped considerably. And really, our yields had not gone down; they actually increased. Been better. It takes more management, but that makes what's the farming fun for us, I guess.